Art. Hello everyone, this is Akriti here. Today I am drawing baby taking shower.
The clocks are right, the master.
Story time. Baby splashed happily in the shower as warm water cascaded over her soft skin. Her mother carefully cleaned her, making sure every part of her body was washed gently and thoroughly. The baby giggled, reaching for the soap, fascinated by the bubbles. Her mother smiled, explaining how keeping clean helps keep germs away and makes her feel fresh and healthy. After the shower, the baby was wrapped in a soft towel, feeling cozy and refreshed. Moral of the story is good hygiene, even from an early age, is essential for health and well-being, teaching us the importance of cleanliness in our lives. Have a happy day.
The clocks are 4. He ran out the Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. Went to her house. Hickory dickory dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
Color time. Green. Orange. Light blue. Light green. Yellow. Violet. Green. Red. Blue. Light green. Purple. Orange.